Hey guys, welcome back to Driven by Cayman. We are actually going to go drive the Porsche with the Christmas lights and get some cool shots of it and everything. This is the first drive. We're going to see if these actually stay on or not, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's start her up and see how the battery health's doing. It's doing just fine. I will catch you guys when we start driving. Alright guys, we are driving to the neighborhood now. So far I don't see anything popping up. I'm kind of watching my mirrors and everything like that. A lot better idea than wrapping paper like the first video I posted. That was a terrible idea. This actually seems to be pretty sturdy, so I'll let you guys know what happens. Alright guys, we made it out here in Seymour, where I live, and they actually stayed on pretty well. Looks super, super cool. We're about to shoot some drone shots for you guys, and as soon as I do that, I'll come back to the camera. Alright boys, back on the road we shall go, back to the house. I just came to show one of my buddies the car fully wrapped and figured to make a short video for you guys.